What is the source of these anxieties and fears for which I am helpless? And you say you are emotionally immature. What is the source of it ultimately? I want to become emotionally mature. Then for that sake, these anxieties, fears, or the worries, or the anger, jealousy, everything should get reduced. Well, in Bhagavad Gita, there is a clear presentation of the source of all these anxieties, fears, etc. The source is given there. And what is the source? It says this. The thing which definitely colors and distorts your perception of the world is these two factors. One is a raga, other is a dvesha. What is raga? Well, I have a raga for the object when I consider it as a desirable, because in its presence I become more happy, more secure. Then I say I have a raga I like towards that object. So dvesha is just the opposite, the dislike for an object in whose presence, or experiencing that, or possessing that, I feel there is a threat to my happiness or security. Then I have a dislike. So I want to definitely, these are the raga and dvesha, which basically only manifest in the form of all these anxieties and worries and etc. that vitiate the perception of the world and my responses to the world, in which I find ultimately helpless of my emotions, and I am called emotionally immature person. And therefore, definitely, even though physically I have grown and I am living, but I am really not enjoying the life. And so, this raga and dveshas are there. And the raga means like, as I told you. So I want to acquire and possess a thing for which I have a raga. I want to get rid of it or want to avoid it, for which I have a dvesha. So whole our life ultimately is an expression of this raga dvesha. Whole our life. Life means to relate. And in relating, well, they always vitiate our perception in terms of anxieties and fears and insecurities and anger, etc. So when there is a raga for a thing, well, you want to acquire it, and you don't, which you don't have presently, and it could be anything. That is what we call two purusharthas.